sauce. Today we're in the kitchen, and then we got green pepper, cheese, tomato sauce, like that, corned beef, carrots, sausage, onions, and garlic. And don't forget the sauce and coconut oil. Mama chopped all the ingredients because kids are not allowed to lose a knife. Time to cook! And this is the pan to cook. But spatula to do this. So let's get started. Today we're going to cook, but I will not touch it because I'm a kid. Only grown up will help me. See? See? Now is it up? Now we're going to start. Are we? Our pan is hot now, so let's start.
Oh, it's not hot.
Perfect. Thank you.
It's not hot. Just like that.
Phew. Alright. So we have all the ingredients that we need. We'll just wait for a little bit. We will. Ah, the garlic.
No. Hold this one.
Wow. Too much sound. I don't want it to fall from you guys.
And you do it slowly.
This is nice. Kind of nice. Cooking for your kids? Let's hope that... But it looks like an egg! You know, eggs turn like a curtis apple or roast apple or like a yummy fruit. It's similar to that. You know. Let's look at the food now. Nice. Wow, it's like a rainbow. Cooking in the kitchen, losing a kid. You know I'm a kid. You know I'm a kid. Yes, I know that I'm a kid. When I'm going to put here. A bit sleepy though. Well done. Tomorrow we will cook chicken. It's time to put the corned beef. What?
Let me do it.
Too many noise. Oh no! Corned beef is so funny. Today we're cooking the corned beef now. We put it inside. And then we'll do something else. The ingredients, we'll put something else. When it's turned brown. Papa, why you can't squeeze? You know, Baby Bus? It's like a movie, of course. Papa, where did you get the thing? Who changed it? To put the sausage.
Okay. Put.
Now, Papa, can you put it in? Or? All?
Yeah, hold.
Oh. Tomato. I even thought. There's so many ingredients. white. The last one, this one is not white. Yeah.
Yeah, that is carbonara.
Carbonara?
Yeah, this one is spaghetti. You know, spaghetti.
Not pasta?
Yeah, this one you're gonna use pasta, but the sauce is different. White sauce and red sauce. Hold my other hand.
It's time to put the green pepper in. Should I put it on?
Yeah. Put in the center. Can you mix?
I'm not good at mixing like that. Hey, the camera didn't see me. And we put everything in. After that, we will put something else. Then I'll mix it up. Mix. Oh my. This is like a charm. This is like a charm. Huh? Like a hard one to do this. Time to put the tomato sauce. It's dripping on my hands. My thumb. It's dripping on my thumb.
Oh.
Look what I'm mixing these things.
Mix.
Is it soft? Pa, what are you doing? Water. Come on, Papa, pour it up. Ah! When you add water, it's going to be too much. Isn't it? Cool. Spaghetti. Ever. Here, now help me to put the tomato sauce.
How much tomato sauce
I
you
don't
gonna
know.
put?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
How do you don't know? You're the chef, so you should know.
Oh, this
Oh.
a little bit.
It will not come out.
Can you look inside?
Sorry. You told me if it's stop, okay? It's enough.
Enough.
Are you sure?
You put the match.
Are you sure it's enough? Okay.
We're going to put some cheese.
Wow, it's cheesy. More.
To be more
Let me
cheese.
help you. Okay, come on.
Mix it.
Yeah. Slowly.
Alright.
More.
So it will be more cheesy.
Yeah.
You love cheese, huh?
Mama likes cheesy, right?
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
slowly.
Alright.
You do like this, not side, okay? Not like that. Only down and up and up, down and up.
Mama
Up
loves
and
cheese.
down and
We
up
all-
and down.
Some
Wow,
cheese.
it looks like spaghetti sauce. What do you think? Is it yummy?
I don't think so. Mama,
Okay,
I
is
think,
enough na?
yeah.
Let me check.
Yeah. We're going to put some oregano.
7 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, flawless.
And then mix. You said you mix. Oh.
Oh, you can work action. Can I close it?
Then yeah, then it's time for
Time for tasting. Tasting time.
What does it taste like?
Yummy! Today I'm going to eat this for a little change. Yummy. Comments down below and subscribe for our channel. If you click the bell button, I will give more videos for you. Bye-bye.